afternoon. We have about 4 pairs of scissors to sharpen for a nice lady, and we're going to use the old twice as sharp, and we're going to power it by the Bluetti EB3 and see how much power it takes to sharpen 4 pairs of scissors. So turning the twice as sharp on, it uses 79 watts running. So that gives you an idea how much power, and it says 3 hours of run time. It's not going to take us very long to sharpen these.
Well, I left Amarillo this morning with $50 in my jeans, headed out to Arizona for a change of scenery. Well, I was 2 miles out of Tucumcari. Everything was going fine when my motor started shaking and the brakes stopped breaking. I knew it was the end of the line. Now I'm 2 miles out of Tucumcari, standing by the side of the road, cussing my luck, wondering if I'll ever get out of New Mexico. There's a Tucson woman gonna have to do without my good loving tonight. I'm 2 miles out of Tucumcari, waiting here for a ride. Give me a ride, buddy. Yeah, the sun was setting in the west, shadows were growing long. Over the hill came a coupe de ville, behind the wheel sat a beautiful blonde. She offered a ride, I threw my guitar inside, I thought my luck had changed. I reached for the door, the pedal hit the floor, and I watched her drive away. Now I'm 2 miles out of Tucumcari, standing by the side of the road, cussing my luck, wondering if I'll ever get out of New Mexico. There's a Tucson woman gonna have to do without my good loving tonight. I'm 2 miles out of Tucumcari, waiting here for a ride. Well, there's a Tucson woman gonna have to do without my good loving tonight. I'm 2 miles out of Tucumcari, waiting here for a ride. I'm 2 miles out of Tucumcari, waiting here for a ride.
So we ran it for about 10 minutes total. We used 4% of the power of the Bluetti, so it's pretty efficient. So I bought this little Bluetti EB3A. I think I paid $350 for it over a year ago. and right now they're, I think, $200 online. This thing works really good for my twice as sharp. It works really good for my Tormek. It will even run my AMK 75 and also my flat hone with no problem. I have not tried it on my clipper blade machine, but I might try it sometime and see how long that will run on that little unit. So the Bluetti was my first experience with a battery pack solar generator. So we'll see. I may get a bigger upgraded model. I also bought a cheap Harbor Freight solar panel for $100, and I just usually set it out here on the concrete when the sun's shining in the morning. It's afternoon now, so there's no sun in the front of the house. So I have my solar panel out in the driveway, and I'm charging up my EB3A this morning. So there's the solar panel out there.